Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See you on blank day. Assignment due. Assignment due on blank day. Every Sunday. Every Monday. Every Tuesday. Every Wednesday. Every Thursday. Every Friday. Every Saturday. Once a week. Twice a week. 3 times a week. Once a month. Twice a month. 3 times a month. Every week. Every day. Every year. Never.